Stop by and take a look at the 2018 XF. The XF drives very nicely with agile handling and a comfortable ride. Steering is quick and communicative and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.